Hello everyone, welcome to Jong's channel. So in this video, we're going to have a walking tour in the city of Berlin. I hope that you're going to like this video.
Summer season has begun in Germany, and it's now a great time to travel and go for a walk in different locations or destinations that you want to go to in Germany. Here, I am now in Berlin and I'm starting to walk around the city. Berlin is famous, so when you visit Germany, it is not difficult to go to the area. There are many trains that can be taken to get into their beautiful sights. The first is the giant Berliner Dome, and its surroundings are one of the best places to visit in Berlin. The Berlin Cathedral at the Lustgarten on Museum Island is a Protestant church in the Middle District of Berlin, built in 1894 and 1905 according to the designs by Julius Raschdorff in the Neo-Renaissance and the Neo-Baroque styles. The monument is the largest Protestant church in Germany in terms of area and one of the most dynastic burial sites in Europe. In addition to church services, the cathedral is also used for state acts, concerts, and other events. In Berlin, you can't just walk past the famous landmarks. There is also a ship tour here. Because Berlin has a beautiful river known as the Spree River, tourists have the opportunity to discover the history of Berlin on a boat tour. You can also discover the capital during this fantastic 2.5-hour boat cruise along the River Spree through Old and New Berlin. So as you sail eastbound, you will see the Berlin Cathedral, the Mühlendam Lock, Media Spree, Mercedes-Benz Arena, the East Side Gallery, and Oberbaumbrücke, the Osthafen, and the Elsenbrücke. There are actually many bridges in Berlin, which actually adds up to the most beautiful places in the area. Another famous landmark in Berlin is the Berlin TV Tower. At 368 meters, it is considered as the tallest building in Germany and the fifth tallest television tower in Europe. It is actually located in the park just nearby the Red Rat House. The television tower is a telecommunications tower 32, serves in addition to its main function as the location of several radio and television broadcasting stations as a viewing tower with a viewing floor including a bar at a height of 203 meters and includes a revolving restaurant. No matter how busy the place is, you won't get tired of coming back because of the amount of things you can do to enjoy. Actually, near the TV tower, in the park, located a large church of Saint Mary. The architecture of the building is now largely composed of comparatively modern restoration work which took place in the late 19th century and the post-war period. From the TV tower, you can just walk going to the Brandenburg Gate, maybe around 25 minutes. So on your way, you will see many beautiful old buildings that are also part of Berlin's history. So as I have observed, the road to Brandenburg Gate is wide and clean and also safe. So the road is too wide that they were able to organize a pedestrian in the middle. You can actually go through the middle and it's well organized. There are food and drink vendors, and along the way, you can also pass by benches where you can rest if you feel tired.
So how did you find this video? I hope that this will help you in your future travel to Berlin. Before I'm going to end this video, I would like to say that life is really full of wonder, and it's very important to find joy in every ordinary moments of beauty. And it also sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. This is Jong's channel. Until my next travel, cheers!